Hi, I'm Mike Bigwood with Miller Microscopes. I'm here to talk to you today about the Visoria microscope from Leica. The Visoria comes in three different versions: the Visoria M for materials, the Visoria B for biological samples, including fluorescence imaging, and the Visoria P for polarized light microscopy. The Visoria is also a coded microscope. What does that mean? Coded microscopes have sensors inside of them that communicate the status of the microscope to the software that's being used to capture the image. So for example, as I change magnification, the lighting settings that are unique to each lens are being reapplied as I change magnification on the microscope and automatically updating within the software. It also has great ergonomic features, including an adjustable height on the XY stalk and adjustable height on the focus knob. And because it is a manually operated system, it is much more affordable than other fully automated microscopes that would normally have that coded functionality. For more information, go to imillermicroscopes.com and you can request a demo from us at your facility.